Let us strive to know the Lord. His appearance is as sure as the dawn. He will come to us like the rain, like the spring rain that waters the earth. Ask the Lord for rain in the season of spring rain. The Lord makes the rain clouds, and he will give them showers of rain and crops in the field for everyone. So that men may know from the rising to the setting of the sun, there is no one besides me. I am the Lord, and there is no other. I form the light and create darkness. I make peace and create calamity. I, the Lord, do all these things. Drip down, O heavens, from above, and let the clouds pour down righteousness. Let the earth open up, and salvation bear fruit, and righteousness spring up with it. I, the Lord, have created it. Beloved, I pray above all things that you may prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prospers. Then your light shall break forth like the morning. Your healing shall spring forth speedily, and your righteousness shall go before you. The Lord will guide you continually and satisfy your soul in drought and strengthen your bones, and you shall be like a watered garden and like a spring whose waters do not fail. For as the earth brings forth its bud, as the garden causes the things that are sown in it to spring forth, so the Lord God will cause righteousness and praise to spring forth before all the nations.